Experiencing the frustrating too many login attempts error on Steam can feel like hitting a brick wall, but don't let it stop your gaming marathon. If you're seeing this message, it usually means Steam has detected suspicious activity or too many failed login attempts from your current location or IP address, locking you out temporarily. Let's dive into fixing this and getting you back into the game. The first and often quickest fix is to restart your router or modem. Simply unplug its power cord, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This resets your IP address and can clear any temporary network-related blocks. While your router restarts, open a web browser and go to the Steam website. Try logging in there. If you can successfully log in via the website, this indicates the issue might be with your Steam client installation. If the website login works, the next step on your PC is to ensure your Steam client is up to date. Go to the Steam menu at the top left and select Check for Steam Client Updates. Install any available updates. Still logged out? It's time to consider resetting your password. Navigate back to the Steam login window and click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the on-screen prompts to reset it via email or your phone number. Once you've reset your password and the client is updated, try logging in again. This time, enter your correct username and your newly reset password carefully. If you've tried all these steps and are still encountering issues, it might be a more complex network problem or a temporary server-side issue with Steam. In such cases, waiting a few hours and trying again is the best course of action.